Hello guys, this is Kelvin OS, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube account. Very simple and easy. So first of all, you have to create a Google account. You have to have a Google account for sure. You see, so you have to create one. So you're going to create one right away. Your first name, okay? So my first name, I'll put Suffer Kelvin. Copy. Cut it. Paste it. Whoa. Yeah. Don't mind me, eh? I don't like this, bruh. Suffer key 2000. This is what I want. Or suffer I or suffer key. Yes, let's make it I or suffer key. This would be cool. And today I'll choose a password. It's a very simple one. I won't tell you. I'm sorry, I can't tell you. If you want, I can too. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me. That's not something I do. So we have to remember this. So yeah. Now go to next. They said it is optional, so let's go with it. Date of birth, May 3rd, 2000. I'm old, man. My voice is just small, but I'm old, to be frank. I agree, bro. I agree with everything. Just a simple and easy text. No, I'm registered successfully as a Google account user. Now I can manage my Google account if I want. And now we will go to youtube.com. So when you open YouTube, it may or may not have already been signed in. So now we sign in. We are signed in. You see, as I said, maybe it has already been signed in. So now you go to create account right beneath your name and your email, or manage your Google account. So click on create a channel. Now you have to read this. It's very important. See, you're creating blah 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 blah. Get started. So either you have to use a catchy name in order to get maybe some subscribers or something, because so you have to also define the kind of your brand or what you want to represent on your channel. You see, if it's music, you have to make it like, you know what I mean, right? So add a channel name. So you have to make so what is trending now? So let's make it about gossip or news, you know. Okay, so I'll go with graphic daily. Graphic. No, it's like that. It's okay, graphic magic. No, ain't working. This ain't working for me, man. Okay, so let's go. So people like cats. Cats magic, yeah. Cats magic. That'll be cool. Cats magic. We create cat magic. Create. Let's wait and see. We on it. So I'll select just any profile picture. You see, I'm a designer, so I have a lot of pictures. So let's pick something that is contrary to the cut or something. So let's pick just anything, So let me take this. Whoa, isn't that fun? So in your description you could write maybe I do music or something, I'm a musician, but here I upload something daily videos of cats. Simple as that. If you have a website, you add it. If you don't, no problem. I have a website, so this will be a channel in real life though. So Linktree, I have a Linktree account. So I'm trying to get a link. I'll place it there. LinkedIn is a very good place for like directing people to your various profiles. It's a very good. This is not a paid promotion, so you just copy the link. You see, you can add your Behance account, your merch collection, your YouTube channel, even your IG and Facebook accounts can be added to this. This is one link that can direct you to every aspect of your creative whatever. Man, I'm struggling with this. Okay, so I've copied it, I place it here. The Linktree. So okay, maybe add this later because this is very simple. Just go to your Facebook account, go to your profile and copy the link and come and paste it here. Go to your Twitter account, your Instagram account. My Instagram guy will just add it here. Kevin OS. Am I talking too fast? I know, right? Don't mind me. It seems my internet is running a little bit slow. It should be faster. Voila! We are done, man. You can now go and explore your creative. You can now visit your studio and add any video you want, but so far I don't have any video, but I'll try to upload one so you can see how it's done. See, I won't learn anything. So go to that icon right there with the arrow pointing up. Just click on that and then select files. Here I'll go to my desktop because that's where most of my videos are. So here I have a short video I made about the text effect. So I'll click on that, then open. Okay. Title will be Photoshop text effect. Photoshop. They will probably block that video because I have Lecrae's zombie song beneath it, so on it, so they may block it. It doesn't matter anyhow. I'm just trying to show you an example of how it's done. Photoshop text effect. This is not a real title. This will be in brackets. Photoshop text effect. How to create. You have to define maybe the how-tos is how people mostly search in the search engines. So it's better you start your videos if it's a tutorial with how to, how to create a glossy that's it. This is my title. You describe the video something like that, because now I have to get a thumbnail for this. Since I don't have one, I've not created one. You can create your own thumbnail, but here's the situation. I've not verified my phone number with it yet, so I can't. So now hit next. This is taking too long. I'm publishing it ASAP. Publish it. Oh, thank you guys for watching. This has been Kelvin OS, and peace out. God bless you. Bye.